प्रधानमंत्र्यान हालींच 500 आनी 1000च्या नोटींचेर बंदी घाल्या उपरांत देशांतलो काळो पयसो आशिल्ल्याच्या कपलार आठयो पडल्यात. धांवपळ सुरू जाल्या. मात प्रधानमंत्र्याचो हो निर्णय देशाच्या पळजळीत फुडारा खातीर म्हत्वाचो आसा. हाचो गोंयच्या पर्यटकांक कांय प्रमाणांत फटको बसला तशेंच सामान्य मनशांकय हाचो त्रास जाला. मात इतलें आसलें तरी हें पावल देशाच्या बऱ्या फुडारा खातीर आसा अशें कलंगूटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो हांणी म्हळां. आर्डेस्को वखदी कलंगूटच्यान जोजफ फर्नांडीस.
Narendra ji Modi, आमचो Prime Minister, is thinking for the future of India, and what he has done today to change the currencies from 1,500. म्हाका दिसता हेचेर बरो व्हडलें थिंकींग प्रोसेस तेंचो बरो आहा. गोंयान मातशे थोड्या लोकांक त्रास जाल्या, स्पेशली ट्युरिस्टांक, आनी लोक सजमान घेता. Because it is in the larger interest of the nation as far as funding of terrorism with the money which is counterfeit. Duplicate notes were used for by terrorists in large numbers. Again, black money a lot of people in Goa was holding. So today, after this announcement, I think a lot of people, especially the people who are having a lot of black money, started running helter-skelter. So it is a very good move. In the long run, it will pay for a stronger India, strong economy of India. And I think we should all work towards it, and we should all support the call given by our Prime Minister Narendra ji Modi to have a little patience. If we want to see a stronger India, we will have to have a little patience, but things will be good for all of us.